So thick, baby, come give me this blessing. I want the real thing, I don't want testing.
Hey y'all, today I'm shopping for my room. I hope you feeling like Martha, because I'm gonna need some help. Y'all, I don't have no blinds up right now, and I just feel like my neighbors are watching me. Okay guys, so now I'm done. This is the finished product. How do you guys like it? I feel like it changes the vibe of the room. I decided not to put it on this wall. Girl, how you gonna have a nice room and it stink? This would have to be my favorite part of my room because I'm able to change the colors of the headboard. I got these LED lights from Shein. Now let's move on to my fragrance collection. Okay, so this is my second favorite part of the room, my body mirror. I got it from Home Goods. I'm wearing the Skims, you know, get into it. Besides the point, this took me like a couple months to put together, probably like 2 months. And then if you turn over here, this is my favorite part of the room. Forget the bed. This right here. See my little photos, me and my boyfriend, me in Florida. And then my vanity. I thought it would be more convenient if I put this on the wall. Everything here is from IKEA, except for the chair and the trash can. These are from Home Goods, Amazon, Home Goods, and Shein. But this fell down, so I need to figure out how to put this back on the wall. Maybe I'm gonna use like double-sided mounting tape, but besides the point, let's not look at that. Get into it. Y'all see this? Y'all see me? You guys never seen my room before. Here's a before. Here's another before. But follow me to the after. But how do you guys like it? I think I did pretty well with this job. Got all of my inspo from Pinterest. Overall, I give this room a 10 out of 10. So thank you guys for tuning in. That's all for my room. I hope you guys enjoyed it. While you guys are still here, you can like, comment, and subscribe. You know, do us just a little something. Do me a little favor. You're watching my video. You might as well, you know, contribute. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys love my room. Get some inspiration from my room. I recommend Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok. You guys can all follow me. The links are in the description. It's Itskaycali and I'm out. Now let's move on to my you guys never seen my room before, so here's a before. Wait, shit, what did I say?
You were gonna...
Oh, we're shopping for my room, and I hope y'all Martha, no.